Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney with Scarlett Fu, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Isabel Lee. Isabel, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at Constellation Brands. Shares are down by 8%. The stock is STZ, that's the ticker. So this comes after the company cut their fiscal 2026 guidance. They cite weak consumer demand, which will of course hurt inventory and really cause a rebalance at the distributor level. We have Citi analysts saying they expected a cut in their note, but the opening of a negative catalyst was unexpected. The magnitude was worse than expected. The new forecast appears de-risked, and Bloomberg Intelligence also says that the guidance cut stems from weaker than expected beer sales, which reinforces the, quote, extraordinary challenges facing alcoholic beverages. I feel like we've been hearing this for a long time now, that Americans are really just drinking less alcohol.
Maybe they need to get more into non-alcoholic beverages.
Yeah. And they also make Modelo and Corona.
Yes.
So I'm thinking there's a correlation.
I did try a non-alcoholic beer over the weekend from Heineken.
Yeah, that worked.
Did you like it?
Pretty sad.
They do say if you
Did it taste similar?
No.
In a word, no.
They say you should just, if you want the real thing, just drink the real thing. If not, just drink something else.
Okay, very good.
Don't even pretend. All right, you're also looking at Elf Beauty.
Elf Beauty down also by 2%. So this comes after Deutsche Bank downgraded the cosmetics company to hold. The analyst there, Stephen Powers, cites valuation with the stock up more than 150% off their April lows. He also notes that there's just no clear upside in the near term, and he argues that any reinstated guidance are likely to be conservative. And this is interesting to me. He also notes that commentary on social media channels of Elf has become increasingly negative. And then, so I'm not that plugged into this world, but then I looked earlier this morning and it was kind of negative. Like in August 2025, Elf faced backlash for a certain campaign, and Rhode, which is the product of a celebrity, has just received ongoing criticism for their product. This is Hailey Bieber's brand.
Wait, so marketing is playing a role here in why people are steering away from Elf Beauty products?
Yes, and just, I mean, now with one wrong tweet or one bad review can really just cause a brand to spiral. I mean, that's the scary thing about social media, or the good thing.
All right, very good. One more, we got Frontier Group. What's going on there?
Frontier, this is an exciting stock because it's edging up by almost 20%. It actually opened 23%. That's the highest in 5 months. So Deutsche Bank raised a recommendation to buy from hold. They said that the company is best positioned to benefit from Spirit's bankruptcy, which is a rival. So like Spirit, Frontier is a low-cost carrier. The analyst there said that currently 35% of Frontier's network overlaps with Spirit. So the Spirit's filing of bankruptcy for the second time this year is going to bode well for Frontier. He estimates the overlap should increase to about 40% by the December quarter. So I guess that's good news for Frontier. One company's bad news is another's good news.
The discount airline sector has had a really, really hard time. It always amazes me because everyone I know is looking for cheaper airline tickets, but we have these carriers and they have been trying to look for ways to increase their exposure to higher end customers.
That's exactly right. And I feel like it's not really low cost when everything adds up. I mean, there's a joke.
The nickel and diming.
Yes, there's so many memes that soon there will be a standing.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.